Hello guys, today I am present with a new make money online opportunity. Make money with Streetbees app. What Streetbees app is all about? Streetbees app guys is all about sharing your real opinions on a number of different topics. For example, you have to share everything from your hobbies, what meals you prefer, what products you like, what technology you use, etc. Like smartphone, desktop, PC, etc. These are just a few examples. The range of topics may be very broad than this. You have to give your honest, real opinions. Just express your opinions as thoroughly as you can, and that's it. So the next question is, what am I being paid for? So guys, you are getting paid for your responses, but before you get paid, your responses are reviewed by their team, and once your responses get approved by them, you get paid for it. And the method of payment available right now with them is PayPal. Guys, Streetbees app is actually genuine, legit app. So let us see what people are saying about this app on their Google Play Store page. So here we are on Streetbees Google Play Store app page. As you can see, it has got 4 stars and a decent number of downloads. And about the reviews, as far as reviews, I have seen the reviews. 80% of reviews are pretty positive. They are pretty positive reviews, such as this. Just look at this. Streetbees is a web survey app. So what you're asked short questions about various topics, and you have to throw ideas. Sometimes they ask for quick photos also, that you can do very easy. So their surveys are interesting, and rewards are great. Payment is good. So one of the better survey apps out there, and very worth downloading. You can see it is a pretty positive review about it. Let us see all other reviews, what they say. App is good, nice, clean and easy to use. So some other reviews. App said I qualified for payment, I would be paid out within 48 hours. 4 days later, after no payment, I opened up. Yeah guys, it is true that it may take longer than 48 hours for before you get your payment. But believe, trust, they do pay. They do pay. It is a very genuine app. You can see on their Google Play Store page and read all reviews. You will find out that 80% of reviews are pretty positive. People are very happy and they are getting paid after using this app. It may take longer than 48 hours, I am repeating, but it do pay. So what you have to do now, download the app. The link for the app is in the description below. Create your account there, and always look out for the stories in your app. Always look out, they would be giving you fresh stories within 24 hours. But keep in mind that first few stories may be unpaid. Yes, it can be first few stories will be unpaid because they want to get to know you. They want to create your profile, and after a few unpaid tasks, unpaid surveys, you will definitely get paid surveys. So have patience, keep doing the surveys, and you will get paid surveys very soon. So that's it about this video. Hope you find it helpful. Any comments, suggestions, or anything you wanna say, you can comment below in the comment section. Thank you very much.